These are the traditional sticks of Cuba known as clave. These are the clapping blocks that you'll be making. I'd like to now introduce you to two different clave patterns. These are the clave patterns that are most commonly used in the dance music in Cuba and in Puerto Rico. The critical thing to playing the clave pattern correctly is to getting the count right. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to borrow on the instruments that you have created, and although they have sandpaper on them, what we're going to use them for is a clapping instrument, which imitates basically the two sticks that make up the instrument regarded as clave. I want to just review our counting first. What we're going to do is we're going to use the word and in between 3 and 4 so that you feel a lift in the first part of the rhythm. And then we're going to count just simply 1 through 4 for the second part. So let's practice our counting. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we're doing is we're counting to play what is known as the 3-2 clave pattern. That's going to be the pattern that we're going to use as the call for our rhythm exercise. So what I want you to do now is I want you to count while you're playing. And this is a perfect time to introduce you to something that was probably one of the most important lessons I've ever learned in playing music. When I was younger, I was stumbling over how to play a certain kind of rhythm. And my teacher told me that if I can say it, then I can play it. So you're going to notice throughout most of the exercises that we talk about, I'm always referring to that kind of way of supporting what we're doing. So let's play and count so that you can feel how the 3-2 clave comes together. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the thing that I just want to point out here is that when I say and, I have a tendency to lift because that's what the pattern is doing. It's lifting up. So when we play 3-2 clave, the first grouping of 4 will have the word and in between the third and the fourth beats. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to just reverse that when we want to play the 2-3 clave. Okay, so let's just practice our counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now while we're counting, let's play. Okay? So, 2-3 clave. That means that you're going to play 2 times in the first part of the rhythm and 3 times in the second part of the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. One, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.